Hi, welcome to my channel. This is Jahangir teacher, UCEP Bangladesh. Today's lesson tag question with simple past tense Part-3. 15. We worked together, blank. 15. We worked together, didn't we? 2. They did the sum. 2. They did the sum, didn't they? 3. Fabiha did not do homework, blank. 3. Fabiha did not do homework, did he? 4. Ritu did not sing a song. 4. Ritu did not sing a song, did she? 5. Shippo ate rice, blank. 5. Shippo ate rice, didn't he? 6. He did not get my email, blank. 6. He didn't get my email, did you? 7. You got my email, blank. 7. You got my email, didn't you? 8. It was raining this afternoon. 8. It was raining this afternoon, wasn't it? 9. Tanzina did not make custard. 9. Tanzina did not make custard, did she? 10. The children missed their bus this morning, blank. 10. The children missed their bus this morning, didn't they? 11. Kabil was not with you last night, blank. 11. Kabil was with you last night, was he? 12. He was your brother, blank. 12. He was your brother, wasn't he? 13. We missed our plane. 13. We missed our plane, didn't we? 14. He didn't pass his exam. 14. He didn't pass his exam, did he? 15. She worked hard today, blank. 15. She worked hard today, didn't she? 16. You didn't go to school yesterday, blank. 16. You didn't go to school yesterday, did you? You can remember, for the simple past tense affirmative tags are was, were, did, negative tags are wasn't, weren't, didn't. Thanks for active watching. Like, share, subscribe please. Learn with Jahangir sir.